everybody, I'm Cooper,
I'm Lexi.
and we're here for another video.
Not kicked out of the show.
Yeah, please ignore the last video. Just ignore it. I don't know why I posted it. Guys, we need your help. We need you to comment things.
We need you to comment hate comments
We need
for
you to
a
hate,
video.
We need you guys to comment bad stuff about us. But don't just like comment bad stuff just to comment. Comment like true bad things. Like you truly hate about us. Just say she's ugly. But yeah, just comment please.
So we can entertain you guys in
We
the
have
video.
nothing to do.
Or we can pretend looking off Cooper's phone again, and we can pretend like.
Yeah, we can pretend I'm doing something, but I'm not. Like, come on.
That's what he did for what I was doing.
You guys need to suggest things, please. I'll give you guys a hint. We are doing something that involves the Ouija board. We're going to a haunted place. We're gonna have some pretty much fun there. Actually, you know what? We might do the Ouija board here on Friday. Yeah, we'll do a video of us doing the Ouija board here.
That's fine.
Friday. We'll record Friday, and then we'll post Saturday. Yeah, I'll try to get possessed.
How about we do this?
We'll do the Ouija board.
How about Friday? If you guys comment anything creepy, we'll do it.
Yeah, give us
some creepy stuff to do, and we'll do it.
I don't care if it's like baby stuff, like light as a feather, stiff as a board. That's stupid. Like that's really stupid. Yeah, if you guys comment like things, like a bunch of creepy stuff,
we'll do it. We'll do it Friday night.
We'll do it like if you guys at least 5 things. We'll at least do 5 things in one episode. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and remember, be cool.